Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing and also a giveaway. So I'm super excited. So like the title said, today I am unboxing the February Lavish bath box, and I have the January Lavish bath box to give away. So if you're interested to see what's in the February box and hear the rules of receiving a January box, then stay tuned and let's get unboxing. Lavish Bath Box is a monthly subscription that has everything bath themed. It has bath bombs, bath bars. Sometimes we get some body fragrances. One month we actually got a hair spray refresher fragrance thing, some candles, but it's mainly a treat yourself bath time type of subscription. So I've left all the information about Lavish Bath Box down in the description box if you are interested, and I also have a referral link as well. So yes, there is a giveaway. So you guys know I was gone for almost a month, close to a month. I was out the country visiting some family, and in that time I got the Lavish December box. I got back, I was trying to catch up on jet lag, just trying to get that out of my system, and I got the January box. So in that time I was kind of MIA from YouTube, and now I have two boxes that I'm trying to get through, and then the February box came, which is what we're unboxing. So long story short, I decided instead of opening up the January box, I'm going to keep it sealed and save this for a giveaway, and today is that day. So I'm going to unbox the February box so we can see what we got, and then for the January box I will tell you the rules on how to enter if you were interested, and I'm just going to leave every single item that I would have unboxed in here, and a lucky winner will just get the complete box. Make sense? Okay, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so let's open up the February box. And of course, for February we have cute pink paper. I absolutely love the colored paper that Lavish puts in here. It is a great way for me to add paper to my giveaways, so thanks. The theme this month is XOXO. So here is the card, super cute. I always love the designs. Lavish really puts time into creating really interesting inserts for the boxes, and then on the back it does give all the information that comes in the box. So the first thing we have is the Goddess Solid Perfume, and let's see, it's by Bath House Soapery. Okay, so this is the item. It looks like a chapstick. It really does. Okay, so it says, apply this long-lasting, travel-friendly solid perfume to pulse points on the wrists, behind the ears, or neck to smell like a goddess all day long. Scented in a beautiful blend of strawberry, peony, jasmine, and soft amber. This is super interesting. So it's a stick. Ooh, it is. It is definitely a stick. That is interesting. Okay. Very soft floral scent. I'm not getting like a fruit. I'm getting more floral, but it's soft from wafting it. So yeah, that's really interesting. I have never seen a chapstick-y looking type of perfume before, and it does have the little notch where you can dial up and dial down. That is super cool. Okay. Points for interesting. And the next item we're pulling out of the box, this is a rose. That is so cute. I don't know if you can catch it because of my lighting, but it is definitely a rose. So this is a rose cake bath bomb. All right, and it's pretty large. I love it. So this shimmering rose bath bomb is stunning, just like you. Oh my gosh, how cute. Scented in a delicate rose water and sweet mouth-watering white cake. I do love cake, so that's a plus. Yeah, I love the mold. It's definitely a rose. That is so So cute. This is adorable. I love it. I'm gonna try this out ASAP because I think the scents won't bother me. And I love cake. I love cake. So our next item is a mask. So this is called Strawberries and Cream Face Mask. And it's interesting because it comes in a powder, and we have had a face mask before that was a powder, and you just had to put water and it turned into like a mask muddy texture, which was really interesting. So this is, let's see, Salted Rock Bath Company, and it's a 100% all natural facial mask called, again, Strawberries and Cream, and it's the, I guess the ingredients are strawberries with coconut milk. Oh, that's super interesting. Okay, so this is, let's see, 100% natural made mask from antioxidants filled strawberry powder, coconut milk, and detoxifying clay. Reduces the appearance of pores and revitalizes tired skin. And the directions here say you just want to add 3 tablespoons of water, mix together to make a paste, spread the mask all over your face, avoiding your eyes, sit back, relax until the mask dries, and then you want to wash off with warm water and pat dry, and then you follow up with your regular routine. That is awesome. I'm going to try this tonight. Oh my gosh, baby loves strawberries, and I'm all about it. So this is going to be super fun to try, and I'll post it on my Instagram as I'm trying it out, but that is so fun. All right, and our next item out of the box is called Girls Night In, and let's see, this is a scrub. Okay, that scent I'm okay with. That smells fruity, and I love fruit, so yeah, I'm okay with this scent. I am all right with it. So let's see, so this says, this whipped sugar scrub is the holy grail for deliciousness in this light and fluffy scrubby texture scented in guava, grapefruit, jasmine, peaches, and sugar. Okay, so that is what I'm smelling, is the peaches, that like right off the bat, and it is a whip texture, which I do like, so that's gonna be nice. Yeah, definitely getting like peach off the bat, and I can handle some peach smell. So this is something that I would grab for when I'm in the shower and just go all over the body with it. And the sense of the body scrubs that I've gotten in the past, they don't linger too long. So if you're not like that person that wants to smell fruity all day long, then these are still items that you can use. I have really been liking them because I like to smell fruity for maybe an hour or two, and then I like it to fade. I'm not like, let's smell like fruit 24 hours a day. But I do like that fresh fruit smell out the shower, because then I do go in with like my regular cocoa butter and all that jazz, and it doesn't like conflict. There's no like, oh my god, what does she smell like? So yeah, I have been loving the sugar scrubs that they put in their boxes, and they're really great at finding these companies to create a full rounded box. So Valentine's Day, I'm all about. So for a Valentine's Day themed box, we are going, we're good. We are Gucci. I love it. So the next item is super cute. Look at this. Like, do I have this going the right way? Like, this is so cute. It's tic-tac-toe. That's adorable. So this is the XO bubble bar. So for a bubble bar, you just want to break off a small piece and hold it under the running water, and bubbles will form in your bath. You don't want to use the whole thing because that's going to be a lot of bubbles, but it does give you, if you're like that bubble bath type of person, then bubble bars are your go-to. Like, these are just amazing. So yeah, so this is a super, super cute. Let's see what it says. So there's no shame in your self-care game. This bubble bar is scented in sparkling citrus, cherries, greenery with a hint of vanilla. That's so cool. I love the design. That is super cute. I love that it's pink. This box is very Valentine's, very February, and I love it. All right, and the last item in the box is the Champagne Kisses Bath Bomb. It's an emoji face. That's so cute. That is so adorable. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be hard to use because there's always that one bath bomb that they put in the boxes, and I'm like, oh, it's so cute, I don't want to use it. So this is definitely one of them. Like, this is so adorable. I love it. Scented in an intoxicating blend of fresh strawberries and sparkling pink champagne, this playful bath bomb is a toast to you. That is so cute. Like, you guys, that is adorable. I'm here for it. So this is the last item in the box, and I think it's a great way to end the unboxing. I just want to hold it and keep talking. This is so cute. So all in all, I'm really impressed with the February box. I think it did really well in keeping with Valentine's Day, with the love theme. It's very pink, it's very girly and fruity, which I love. I prefer fruity scents over like woodsy or like the too strong perfume scents. So this box is definitely scented up my alley. And if you made it to the end of the video, then you are interested in the giveaway. So like I said, I do have the January box right here. Haven't even opened it. I am going to open it to add a thank you card in it when I send it off to the winner. But that's it. It will come with exactly everything that is on the note card inside. And I just wanted to give this out just to say thank you. You guys were so patient and so loving with me while I was MIA and on my vacation, and while I was trying to recover from my vacation and just being pregnant. Like, I'm not here as consistently as I want to be, and you guys are still here, still loving, still supporting. So just to say thank you, I'm going to give this out to a lucky winner. So how to enter for a full January Lavish bath box is just make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below. In your comment, just add the bath emoji. Add that to your comment so I know that you are interested in entering. And I'm going to leave this giveaway up for, we'll say 2 weeks, so the video has enough time to run. So we'll say 2 weeks, I will leave this up, and the winner, I will pin their comment and respond that you won. And again, I want to just say thank you so much to every single one of you for just being here, spending some time with me, and I really do appreciate your time. And if you like this video, please leave it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And that is all I have. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.